Dude, if I fall off here, it's your fault. There we go. Yeah, I'm recording right now. I might post it on my YouTube later.
Nah.
And today we are walking, taking a little nature walk, and that is Charlotte.
Yo!
We've just been fishing, joking, we've been swimming. We'll call it fishing though, because we're both fishers. Anyway.
I am fish. I am the Dory to your Nemo.
Cute! Also very weird.
Yeah, but still. The slightly confused auntie that acts very drunk. Hills. Fence.
No, I'm being bullied. This is abuse. You can see this on camera now. This is abuse, right? My vlog a bit later. So say goodbye. Bye.